Dream girl, you're always there. In the night, you're everywhere.
Hi guys, so today I have 5 classes. What I love most about my school is how windy it is. We had 2 business English classes, which was exhausting. Then a small 5 to 10 minutes break. This was just for you guys to ambitious to do. So long story short, I was having this Europe dream, but suddenly everything changed and now I'm staying in Vietnam.
2,000 years later.
Okay, let me just introduce myself. My name is Sang and I study business administration. And I love my life, my school, my everything. I'm a freshman, so since school started, I've been struggling with advanced math. So this is me attempting to appear clever and get the knowledges into my